Hello, Tanya. This is instructor Mr. Williams. It seems that you're having some issues with SimNet on one of the assignments. I could see where you were having some issues because basically when you're doing a simulation, sometimes you have to do something exact or try something different, and this can be frustrating, but it will teach you various ways how, of knowing how to do something alternative than what you've been trained to do. And I apologize for that. But it's a good learning experience if you take it that way. So hopefully this is the assignment that you are working on or having challenges with. Saving files to your PC. Um you do have to show me, and you do have to guide me and let me try. Hopefully you went through these two right here, but I'm going to go right to let me try. All right. Yes, I can think I see the problem here where it says it tells you to press enter, but I'm going to show you what you need to do and how you can, when you have an incorrect, and we'll see if that works out. So I'll begin. Well, let me try. Okay, here we go. They want us to basically save a file to a new folder inside the documents folder on the computer. Name the folder newsletter, name the file spa newsletter update. I'm sure you did this. So what we're going to do is they want you to go to here. You can actually go here to the file as well because this will take you there because you didn't save the file. So we just click on what they want you to. We'll click on the save icon, and then we'll go to this PC. And here's the more options right here. Right here is where you'll see more options. It used to be different, but with 2016 and 2019, we're at 2019 right now, you'll see more options here. So let's click on more options. And now, as you can see here, you can see where you are. You're in this right here, tells you that you are in the documents folder. Microsoft always let you know where you are. Okay. So what we want to do is we want to go click on new folder. I'm going to click and drag this down. And then I'm going to type in when it's grayed like this, when the whole text, uh, line of text is grayed out, you don't have to click, just start typing, hit enter. And what they want you to do here after you hit enter, don't hit enter again, double click this folder. Okay. And now you'll see you have documents, and now you are in the new folder, newsletter, which you're going to save it in. So now I'm just going to drag this up a little bit, and then I'm going to click, double click. Well, yeah, there we go. Triple click, double click, and highlight the whole text, and then I'll just start typing spa newsletter updated. Make sure you type the text the exact way that you see it. Sometimes that could be a quirky issue with the application or the program. And so what I would do is instead of hitting enter, I want to make sure I drag up and then click save, and then it says I've done it correctly. Let's try this again a different way and get an error. I'm going to click here. I'm just going to go back through the process. More options. Click new folder, type in the name newsletters. All right, everything looks good. Hit enter. And then what I'm going to do is, instead of double clicking, I'm going to go down here and click save. And this is what it happened too sometimes. But let me go back. That's not the exact thing I was looking for. Um, let's try this again. This PC, more options, new folder, newsletter. Make sure I type that in correctly. Newsletters. Yep. and I will hit enter. And while it's highlighted, I will hit enter again. Oh no, we're already there. No, we're not. You know what? That was my mistake. um, I basically did this while I was testing it out, and I hit enter. I thought I hit enter before, but you usually when you do this, you can do a double click on this, or you can hit save, and it would take you into this new folder, and then you would type in the um, the new file name. So I made a mistake as well, uh, and we do that from time to time as instructors or teachers. And then we didn't want us to type in spa news letter updated, and then we will click save, and everything is done correctly. So, as you can see, as I went through the process, I made a mistake as well, and we all make mistakes. Sometimes we are used to a process that has been indoctrinated to us, and that and sometimes it can stifle our learning if we don't open our mind. You have to really open up your mind and just feel that there is more than one way of doing something, and also realize that this is a simulated um, activity that allows you to learn virtually, which is a good thing if you don't have the actual application. And sometimes this stuff gets a little quirky. And you can let me know if you're having challenges or you get frustrated, and let me know the exact task and what week lesson you're working in, and I can go through it myself, and then I can give you a heads up. But I understand your frustration, and if you have any other questions, let me know. Hopefully, this was the particular assignment you were working on. If not, hopefully, it did answer some of your questions to where you can do the task that you were doing at hand. Okay? All right, Tanya, take care, and I wish you the best.